Monsoon can be delightful, and at the same time it can be harsh on your machines. Rust attack can be really quick, especially on the drive chains, which can speed up the wear and tear of both chain sprocket and your wallet. In study of metals, wear can be primarily due to these 3 points. Number 1 is due to the contact between two moving parts. Number 2 is abrasion due to the presence of other particles in between the moving parts. And number 3 is corrosion. Unfortunately, all of these 3 factors are applicable for chain and sprockets. This video will be on how to get rid of rust and maintain your drive chain in good condition. Chain sprocket maintenance and many other jobs on a motorcycle really becomes easy when we have a main stand. But in this modern day trend of no headphone jack and no main stand, we have to go with an additional accessory like the paddock stand. Job easy on a heavy motorcycle like the Dominar 400. The paddock stand is designed in such a way that it provides enough leverage with very little force, so even before you realize, the rear wheel is up in the air. The bends and welds speaks volume about the quality of this product, just like the adjustment spring and the rubber supports. If you're into motorcycle maintenance or want to store your motorcycle for long durations, then this paddock stand is the way to go. So we have to spray the rust off on the chain and let it work for some time before we brush it off and remove the rust from the surface. This has to be done on the complete chain, including the links and rollers. If possible, while cleaning the chain, it is a good practice to remove the front sprocket cover and get the front sprocket area treated with rust off.